It's me again. Well, I was going through my old videos and I found someone who wanted me to hold my breath for 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to do that there. And if you think I'm about to pass out, please write a comment, please. Okay, ready, set, go. I can't hold it long. Okay, I tried, didn't work. I almost fainted, but I didn't. There. So, if anyone else wants to try and make me faint or get scared or anything or do a salt and ice challenge, I will do it and I'll post it on Facebook. I meant YouTube. Okay, so write the comments down below and like this video. Okay, bye.